This is the brief on absolute quantification of critical CHO host cell proteins. Okay, so let's talk host cell proteins, right? HCPs. They're leftovers from the CHO cells used in bioproduction. Now, we monitor the general amount, but the real headache? Specific types, especially lipases. See, even tiny amounts can chew up stuff like polysorbate, wrecking drug stability in just months. A serious problem. First up, why usual methods fall short. Standard broad HCP tests, like your typical ELISA, they often just miss these really harmful lipases, because they're there in tiny amounts, super low abundance, but still highly active, so they sneak right past the usual checks, flying under the radar. Second, so what's the fix? The Cygnus CHO 6X lipase mass spec assay. It's designed specifically for 6 critical CHO lipases. It uses parallel reaction monitoring, PRM, think super-targeted analysis with high-res mass spec. Gives you much better specificity and sensitivity than broad screens. And finally, how it gets exact numbers? Absolute quantification. It adds known amounts of special heavy peptides, stable labeled ones, into the sample. These are like a perfect measuring stick. Comparing the sample peptides to these standards lets the assay measure down to 0.03 parts per million for some lipases. That's the precision needed to really gauge stability risk. So, if you're serious about drug stability and boosting process quality, reach out to Cygnus about the CHO's 6X lipase mass spec assay.